Okay guys, we're going to take our writing today and we're going to write our sentences. We're going to take it from the flow map and we're going to put it on our paper and we're going to take it from there. So this morning we know that you're going to take your first sentence right off of your flow map. And this is still the topic of a time that I was hurt. So I'm going to write that sentence that I have on my flow map, which is the time I got hurt was when I broke my ankle. The time I got hurt was when, when I broke my ankle, and I want to put a period there. I circled that top part in green just to know that that's my go spot, okay? Now, the next topic I'm going to do, I'm going to be talking about this section, the very first section on my flow map. The when and where. So, high school and softball game. So it's not in a sentence yet, but that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to put it into a sentence. So a time I got hurt was when I broke my ankle. It was during a high school softball game. All right. Now I'm going to tell a detail about where I was. I was on third base. Period. Okay, pretty simple. There was the part on my when and where, and I added a detail. I was on third base. Anytime you can add that detail in there, it's just going to make your story more interesting to listen to and to read. Okay, now I'm moving into the second part. How? How in the world did I break my ankle? So, I don't want to write in red, so I'm going to hop over here to brown. Okay, so how? I'm going to say, so I knew I was going to go try to steal home and get that point for my team. But I also knew I had a very short amount of time. So I knew if I ran, I was going to have to run fast. Okay, so let's see. It was during a high school softball game. I was on third base. I knew I could score. So I tried to steal home. Now here's the real run fast. I knew they were close. I ran so fast and slid into home plate. Okay. This is where I hear the crack, okay? This is my reaction part. I'm down to the last part on my flow map. So, my reaction. All right. I heard the loud crack, and it's okay to talk through your story. As I slid in home, I heard a loud crack. I heard a loud, squeeze it in there, crack, exclamation point. There was dust all around me, sliding into that sandy home plate. There was dust all around me. I asked the umpire if I was safe. All of these are details. This is the funny part of the story, so to speak. If I was safe. He said yes. He said yes. Let's see. He said yes, and I said good. And I knew my ankle was broke. And I'm running out of room, so I'm going to go over to the next page. I knew my ankle was broke. All right, now we're to the end. In the end, I did need a cast and crutches, and it was very tricky to learn how to get around. Let me switch colors, and we're going to go to our closing, and this you're just going to copy it because you've already written it down. In the end, I did need a cast and crutches. And it was very tricky to learn how to get around. So that's the story about the time I got hurt.